Welcome back to our series on investing in Texas real estate. When evaluating real estate investments in Texas, it's important to understand the legal framework that governs landlord-tenant relationships. While fund investors are typically not involved in day-to-day property management, having awareness of these laws can provide context for how operators seek to protect assets and manage risk. The eviction process. Texas is often described as having a more landlord-friendly environment compared to some states. Eviction procedures may be more streamlined, but landlords and operators must still follow all formal legal steps. Delays or errors in the process can have financial implications. And also, while the state property code outlines the law, different local jurisdictions within the state may have additional steps in the process for processing those evictions. It is important to know state and local procedures and timelines to understand the impact eviction and bad debt collections may have on the business. Security deposits. Texas law sets clear rules for handling security deposits, including timelines for returning them to residents. Fund operators and property managers must comply with these regulations to avoid penalties and maintain resident trust. Maintenance responsibilities. Property owners in Texas are required to maintain safe and habitable housing. Timely repairs are legally mandated, and professional operators typically have systems in place to ensure compliance. It is important to understand local laws regarding annual rental, registration inspections, and other inspections related to specific housing programs that may be applicable to the property. So, why does this matter for investors? For passive investors, understanding the regulatory environment helps explain why experienced operators and property managers are essential. Compliance with state and local laws is one of the ways sponsors seek to mitigate risk to investor capital and seek to ensure smooth property operations. Now, all investments have risk. Please see our disclosures at 5buffalocapital.com/disclosures. And of course, important information. Videos are intended to be educational and rely on information from sources deemed to be reliable. Nothing in this video contains legal, tax, financial, or any other type of advice. All investors should consult their own financial, tax, legal, and other professional advisors to determine if an investment is suitable for their unique situation.